In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Google Antigravity in Windows 11 operating system. To download the software in Google search box, write there Google Antigravity, then go on this antigravity.google site. And now here you can see this come there. This is for download for Windows. Click there. Then you can get this software for Mac operating system, Windows and Linux. So let's use the download for 64-bit. So this here you can see antigravity.exe file is currently downloading. The total says 166 MB. Now you can see antigravity exe file that's download completed. Simply you need to click on this exe file, and here installation wizard that's come there. Click on this I accept agreement, click on next. This is the installation location, click on next. Next. This here for desktop icon, click on next and click on this install. So currently this is installing this. So installing Antigravity on Windows operating system, installing and currently extracting the files. That installed successfully, click on this, unchecking this, launch and click on finish. Thereafter, let's click on this anti-gravity. So click on this icon. Now if I go there on this command prompt, so if I write, so here on this command prompt, if I write, okay, this come there anti-gravity, this come from Google LCC, click on this allow, and now in this command prompt, if I write there Python, then you can see Python 3.14.3 that already installed. So welcome to Antigravity, click on next. Here a start phrase, if you want then you can import from. And here this is slide option, this is sorterize, this here. So first that selecting, click on next. This is recommended, that selecting there. And click on next. Here sign in with Google, click on sign in. On this open. And now this here or setting up your account. So this successfully done, click on next. And here I already you can open the asset manager open folder. So I already have this folder python 1 python file are available. Now closing this, now click on this open. So moving on the desktop, python 1 selecting and this here. So here this is for anti-gravity, and here python 1 folder that's come there. Click on this trust and this here. Now thereafter let's go on this extension and they're going to search their Python. So first option that's selecting there, here you need to click on this install button and trust. So this here Python is now Python tag is installing inside the anti-gravity. You can see this Python that install. Thereafter here let's go into this test.py. This is I already have this code. Now are going to run this code. So click on this run icon. Here is the code for a student management system. Let's select your first option, giving the ID, then name, great. So this added. Now thereafter entering the option 4 and here 115. So this you can see there, one choice, and let's here enter again for 114. So 114 here, a grade marks I didn't enter. Now you can ask, here you can use this Gemini 3.1. Now let's select this, giving here print hello world and click on this run. So hello world is now, wait for second. Okay, control S to save and now click on this run. So hello world, that's displaying. So this is how we can install this anti-gravity on this Windows 11, then run the code. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.